Hope you're okay. In this video, I'll be discussing the top tips and tricks for your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. Actually, the best features for these OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. Now, in the playlist I'll link down below, you can check out these particular features at length. I have discussed them and how to use them, but I'll be going through them quickly just to show you the top features for me. Now, the first feature is actually active noise cancellation. Now, before you can start using some of these features, ensure that you connect your earbuds to your phone and you install the HeyMelody app, and it's going to allow you to add these buds to this app, and now you can have even more controls for your buds. This is where most of those features are going to be found. Now, if you're using a OnePlus phone, simply when you connect to Bluetooth, go into settings, and then under settings, tap on Bluetooth, and then you should see your earbuds, tap on them, just like that, and then you should see earbud functions, and it's going to land you on the same page as the HeyMelody app. Now, once you do that, let's get right into some of the top features or tips and tricks, or the best features for these earbuds. Now, the first one is obviously noise cancellation and transparency mode. So if you put on one of your earbuds or both of them, you can be able to cycle between transparency mode, noise cancellation, and turning off those controls altogether. So this one is going to allow you, when you're speaking to someone, to be able to hear what they're saying even when you're wearing your earbuds. Noise cancellation is going to actually give you the option to cancel noise depending on the environment that you're in, and when you tap on this option, you can select the noise control mode, which is going to filter out that noise based on the setting that you choose. Now, the next feature is actually dual connection, and dual connection actually allows you to connect to two devices at the same time and switch between them easily. So when you're wearing your earbuds, you can be able to use this device, and if you've connected it to another device like a computer or another phone, you can be able to use this feature to connect to that. And your devices are going to be saved right here, and you can enable that option from here so that it can be able to select or auto-select, or you can choose manually, but with your devices paired, you'll be able to see them here and you'll be able to cycle between them at will. Now, the third feature is for bass lovers, and this one is actually called BassWave. So BassWave allows you to boost your bass on your earbuds. So while you're on the HeyMelody app, simply go to Soundmaster EQ, and here you should see the BassWave option. Now, I recommend that you select the bass preset, and once you select the bass preset, turn on BassWave, and here you can be able to either select the strength of your bass by increasing that to the maximum or reducing that to whatever level you want, and it's going to boost the bass on your earbuds. Simple as that. Now, while we are on that feature, we have the Equalizer. And while you're on Soundmaster EQ, you have three presets that come on the phone by default. That's the balance, the serenade, and the bass. And you can switch between these at any time. And you have also the option to add an equalizer, and you can tune it to whatever you want. And once you add it, you can add as many equalizers as you want, up to 3, I presume. And you can also rename them to whatever you want. And this is going to allow you to switch between those particular equalizer presets at whatever time. To manage them, simply tap on the top right, in the 3 dots in the top right corner, and select edit, and you can be able to delete them if you no longer want to use them. Now, the fourth feature is game mode. So while you're on the app, once again, simply scroll down and you should see game mode. And here, this is low game latency, and it turns on low latency after you enter a game, offering you a smoother gaming experience. And it's only supported on certain games, but you can turn on this feature or turn it off depending on whatever you want. You can turn it on manually or using gestures. Now, the other thing, or the other feature, is basically the Earbud Fit Test. So while you're on the app, if you scroll down and find more settings, you should be able to see the Earbud Fit Test, and this allows you to choose or make a good seal on your ear canal for better noise cancelling. So it's good when you get your earphones to do the earbud fit test so that you can be able to get higher quality sound and noise cancelling from your earbuds. Now, moving on swiftly, the next feature is actually Find My Earbuds. Now, you can be able to find or locate your missing earbuds when they are not in the case. So, if you seem to have lost one of your earbuds or both of them, then you can come to the HeyMelody app, and then you should see the Find My Earbuds option. And here, you should be able to play a sound. I don't know if you can hear that. It's going to play that sound, and once you find your earbuds, it's going to stop playing. But if you don't find them, you can continue playing that sound, and the sound is going to continue getting louder and louder as you get closer to your earbuds. Or if you don't find them quickly, it's going to get louder until the point when you're going to find them. And when you do find them, that sound is going to stop, and you can now stop that sound manually, or it's going to stop automatically. Now, sort of a rogue feature, or one that you would not expect on this list, is firmware updates. Now, on the app, you can be able to come down here and find the firmware update, and here you can be able to check for updates and install those updates to your earbuds, and you can also be able to turn on automatic firmware updates. Now, the reason this feature is on this list is because some earbuds do not offer this option. So ones that I found, for example, are the Redmi Buds 6 Active. They are not able to give you a feature to update your earbuds. So I thought that was a worthy mention, and that's basically. Now, the next feature is actually a pretty cool one, and it's call controls. And you can be able to control your calls using your earbuds by simply double tapping on the stem on either of the earbuds, double tapping on this stem to answer a call, double tapping on it again to end that call, or pressing and holding to reject or decline that call. So with that feature available, you can also customize it to your liking by going into earbud controls, and here you should see all the controls that are available to you, but these specific ones for a call, you can be able to find them down here. Now, you can also find even more settings to do with this by going into more settings, and here you should be able to see this setting called switch audio channel. Now, the switch audio channel feature allows you to, after you remove your earbuds, if you're on a call or on certain apps, it will play that particular whatever it was playing via the device receiver or via the speaker automatically. So you can turn this option on to help you with that. But for this option to be active, you first need to enable this autoplay or pause option, just like that. Now, like I said, you also have more controls at your disposal, earbud controls, and you can be able to see either of them here, and you can be able to customize them at any time to set them to whatever that you want to do. So to know how to use these particular earbuds or how to use those particular controls, you can come to this earbud controls page and tap on view tutorial, and it's going to prompt you to wear your earbuds, and once you wear your earbuds, this option is going to be active, and you can go through the tutorial to show you how to use your earbud controls. So the next feature is actually Spotify Tap. So this is Spotify Tap. So in the HeyMelody app, simply go into select your earbuds and go into this other features section and tap on Spotify Tap. And this feature basically allows you to customize controls specifically for Spotify. That's why it's called Spotify Tap. And like I said, in the playlist, you can find a video on how to do this. But this basically is customed specifically for Spotify, separate from the other controls that I just showed you. Now, next is sound space. Now, sound space is a feature that allows you to immerse yourself in white noise as you focus, relax, or take a nap, or when you're sleeping. And it comes inbuilt with a couple of sounds. So tap on sound space, and you can be able to see a couple of white noise options that you can add to your phone. As you can see, the summer seaside option is added by default, but the rest of these, you need to download them onto your phone so that whenever you want to relax or take a nap or even sleep, you can listen to this white noise at any time directly from your earbuds. just like that. And they're going to help you relax, take a nap, or even just take it easy as you're chilling. So the other feature that you can utilize or you can use is the Windows Swift Pair. Now, this option allows you to quickly connect to a Windows device while your earbuds, or pair to a Windows device with your earbuds near to them. So if you simply go into the HeyMelody app and select more settings, you should be able to see the Windows Swift Pair option. And like I said, a pairing notification will automatically pop up when the earbuds enter pairing mode and are close to the computer. This has to be a Windows computer. Now, finally, we have another feature that is actually the OnePlus 3D audio. Now, this option is commonly called the spatial audio option, and you can turn it on from here or turn it off at any time. And basically, it is used to place you in an immersive sound environment for certain music, videos, or games or apps supported using this function to help you get an enhanced listening experience on your earbuds. So those are the features that I find are the best features for these OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. And I hope, let me know which features you like, and let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Otherwise, if the video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.